Fog all right. Durango or 2022 Durango. Said light up SRT badge, blacked out. Said it's black under there. You know that shit taking off. You got the wide body scat right here, 392, looking nasty. Good. Got a Hemi right here. I don't know what year it is, but yeah, it's a Hemi. RT badge on it. I like that black hair. I'm glad they. I don't know. I know the older ones got like the chrome, like either on the gas cap or like the outline and shit. But I'm glad it's black, not chrome. Then you got two ZL1s right here. Not one, two. This one hard though. I like that black and white combo. Stang. This is hard. You know who this is? What's this? What's that? So what does that mean? It's like how much horsepower it make? 495. 495. You like it?
I love it.
You been a Chevy guy?
No, I had Ford before.
At least you switched. Anything before, at least you switched. It's clean though. What's that color called?
Ceramic Matrix Gray.
Ceramic Matrix, yeah. That's a nice color. Is it like a little blue tint to it? Yes. I like that. It's clean. Are you planning on getting the what's the Z06? Is the big one? Nah, that's too much. Take y'all over here to the guys, some of the guys over here. Yes, sir. It's a little windy out here, so if y'all can hear me, I'm sorry. I know y'all probably can hear me. Just check this one. Big scat pack, two black. Jailbreak with the hood off. Sure it's clean. Got a little Mustang. Stay away from the crowds, you know. Another scat pack. I like this color. I like the tint just flow down to the color. That's what makes this look nice. Got the Redeye back in the video again. Redeye's featured again. If you're gonna get a Dodge, if y'all plan on getting a Dodge or something like that, I'll say go wide body. There ain't no way you'll be disappointed in getting a wide body. Scat pack or a Hellcat. Now this color right here, to me personally, I like it. If I was to get a Hellcat with this, I'll put the black stripes down the middle if I change it. But a Charger like this is cool with the Hemi on the top. Then we got another Hemi right here. Hemis. And another Hemi right here. We ain't gonna speed on that. Beat the Hemi. I got my baby right there. We gotta put you in the video, babe. Yeah, forget about you. You in there, baby. I got you. I got you. Y'all see the Scat Pack 392? Showstopper, go get her. Big winner. Bag tastes a little dirty. These things for dinner. Oh shit, I heard a cat. Woo, that TRX. That TRX thing right there. Woo. I heard that one. GT 500 pull up. The carbon wheels. Ugh. Carbon wheels is crazy. Big wing on it, dinner plate wing on it. Big Brembos. GT 500. It's clean though, I ain't gonna lie. That color is crazy. That color is crazy. One time for the one time, please, sir.
Look at that wine! Look at that wine!
Big Redeye. Hey, that's the first time I ever hurt my ears when you did that. That was the first time I ever hurt my ears when y'all did that. That motherfucker hurt my ears. I think it's, I don't know. Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's just a little short video today, a little car meet, you know what I'm saying? But that's the end of the video. Big Baby Red, y'all need to help me come up with a nickname for her too, because I don't know, I don't know what to be calling her sometimes. But that's the end of the video, y'all. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what y'all think I should name the car, and see you in the next video. Peace.